Are you looking for the best solar folding charger panel mobile phone USB? In this video we will look at some of the best solar folding charger panel mobile phone USB on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 1200 watts portable solar folding charger panel. Portable solar folding vertical bar charger panel mobile phone USB output foldable 1200 watts high power output generate ample power with 1200 watts output, ensuring rapid charging for your devices on the go. Foldable and portable design, compact and foldable. This solar charger fits easily in your backpack for on-the-move charging. USB output for versatile charging, offers dual USB ports for versatile charging of mobile phones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. Number 2. SHARGE power bank solar panel. Seize the power of Sunday, specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect companion with SHARGE 170 power banks. Collect and convert sunlight into the energy you need. 12 watts max output. The 10-fold solar panels provides you with 12 watts max output. Infinite solar energy to get rid of battery life anxiety. Juices up not only power banks, but also your smartphones, flashlight, etc. High conversion efficiency, over 22% conversion rate. Stay powered for your devices. Number 3. 1 watt 5 volts solar panel electronic DIY small solar panel. High conversion, high efficiency output and excellent weak light effect PET laminated solar panel. The unique technology makes the components beautiful and strong, anti-wind and snow, and easy to install. The unique technology avoids the inside of the frame. Crystal and beautiful, wear resistant, corrosion resistant, and compressive. Wide range of applications. Garden lighting, small home lighting system, solar street lighting, outdoor solar advertising, suitable for all kinds of low-power electrical. Number 4. 2-pack 5 volts 6 watts solar panel compatible. 2-pack 5 volts 6 watts solar panel compatible with UFI-CAM 2C/2C Pro/E40/E20/2/2 Pro, 5 volts 6 watts solar panels for camera. Continuous power supply, micro USB and Type-C port. 9.8 feet cable, IP65 waterproof, secure wall mount compatible with micro USB and USB-C Type-C port. Camera. The 6 watt solar panel compatible with micro USB port. Camera. Do not compatible with ring, Arlo blink special charging port. Camera. Number 5. Top 600W 450W 300W 150W solar panel kit complete. Attention, according to feedback of customer, we upgrade our product, same power, but size is changed. PLS attention before place order. Made of 166 mm monocrystalline solar cell, 1050 x 530 25 mm, smaller size, higher power, save more space, suitable more place. Maximum power max 150 watts. Output tolerance ±3%. Maximum system voltage 700 volts. DC open circuit voltage VOC 21.6 volts. Maximum power voltage VMP 18 volts. Cell efficiency 23%. Operating temperature